much valuable corporate and personal information resides on your computer's hard drive? And just how safe is your information from malicious employees, contractors, and visitors? Even if you back up your data to the cloud, your files are likely still accessible on your computer. To protect your data, computer, or laptop from theft, secure it with the Smartkeeper PC lock. The Smartkeeper PC lock is an ingenious device that serves two purposes. First, for desktop computers, it locks the side panel, which prevents the hard drive from being stolen. Second, it prevents the theft of the actual PC itself. Unscrew the bolt and attach the bracket to the PC. Insert the PC lock body into the bracket. That's smart. That's Smartkeeper.